Hey YouTube, Peterbilt Knife Guy. Today I'm going to be doing a video that's been requested many times on my shorts, and that is, how do I sharpen my knives? A lot of people have different systems, and you know, it really depends. I do have a Lansky sharpening kit, but honestly, in my opinion, this thing's obsolete to me because now that I have power tools, oh, look at that, I found a knife that I forgot I had. Awesome. Keep that out. Now that I have power tools, you can tell how long it's been since I used it. I forgot I even had this in there. This is another neat build that I did. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this away. Actually, I'll keep out this too. Man, I'm doing all kinds of cool shit. It's been requested many times. How do you sharpen it? How do you sharpen it? How do you sharpen it? Well, today I'm gonna do it on this. This is a cheap little gas station knife that I picked up today. I don't know, I thought it looked cute. I'm gonna give it to my kid. It's tiny. Comes with a crappy little sheath that's somewhere around here. Yeah, this guy right here. We'll do a video on it late or eventually, but what I do want to show you is that I made it really sharp because I already did a cutting video on it. So we're gonna take this thing from hair popping sharp, you know, really sharp knife, to stupid dull, and then back to really sharp. And the only other way I could think of doing this is with a brick. So, sharp knife. This is a 3CR13 MOV, I believe. Yeah, or 3CR13. I don't even know what the MOV stands for. But let's make it dull. You do this with a knife, you are gonna dull it. All right. I say that is probably pretty damn dull right now. It actually handled better than I thought it would. So she's dull. Yeah, still got some sharpen in it. I want to make sure it's epically dull. Yeah, look at that nice flat spot on there. All right, she's dull. So I'm gonna reset up now, and you'll see me with the grinder. All right, so I got my grinder set up. This is a 1x30 Harbor Freight grinder, or bench sander, belt sander. It's a 1,000 grit belt that I put on there. And these are some file guides that I made out of, or not file guides, but just guides that I made out of a piece of, I don't even know what it was, angle iron, I guess. And I cut them to be identical. And then I can take this little tab right here. If I loosen this, I can adjust the plate right here to where this can go. Any, you know, for different knives have different grinds. So if you want a real steep grind, you just adjust it up. If you want a little shallow, or, you know, I mean, you know what I'm saying. Real steep or real shallow, you can adjust this to wherever you hold it against it. It puts it at the right angle that you want up on there. So yeah, this is my shitty camera work. I'm gonna set up the camera, and you'll see me sharpening it. All right, we're back, and I haven't stropped it yet. Let's get my strop out, and it's got a burr, but it's already okay. It feels sharp, but there's a massive burr on there. So next, we're gonna work that burr off. What this is this just a thick piece of leather. I had this rubber that I glued to the bottom of it so it doesn't slide around. And this just has compound on one side, no compound on the other. I don't have to put compound on it very often, but it doesn't hurt to have a little extra more. It's just polishing compound. I don't even know what kind. Honestly, any kind's better than none. Sorry about that. Got interrupted by a neighbor kid looking for my son. All right, so we're gonna work that burr off now. Consistency is the key. Whatever angle you decide, stick with it. And try not to, when you get to the end, roll the knife. Lift and then roll. Lift and roll. Is this even in camera? No, you can barely see it. All right, so after a little bit of stropping, let's check the edge. Okay, it's getting there. Let's do this a couple more times. Interrupted again. Okay, now she's pretty sharp. I could have spent a little more time down at that tip. I don't think I quite got it, but you'll get the idea. Let's see if I can adjust this to where you can see better what I'm doing, because there we go. All right, I usually bring my strop to the edge. Let's adjust this again. The edge of my table. That way it doesn't interfere with the guard. All right, here we go. No compound on this side. Same thing, consistency. Kids keep interrupting me. All right, let's check the edge here. Yeah, she's getting there. Not perfect yet though, but pretty damn sharp. Keep a little bit more pressure on here right now. Just keep refining that edge. Not perfect yet. Probably could spend a little bit more time on the green hone, but let's see. All right, let's see if we can cut a paper tube. Oh my God, another interruption by a kid. All right, so my famous tube cutting test, famous, infamous. Let's see if it'll even do it. She's wanting to grab, so she ain't there yet. her back on the green hone again a little bit. Could have spent more time on the sander, but didn't want to have this video running frickin' 4 hours. Not that I really care, I just hate waiting for it to upload. Let's see what that does. There you go. Maybe this steel doesn't like the full polish. Try that again. I'd say she's sharp. So yeah, from dulled on a brick to back to hair popping sharp again. I'm not gonna cut hair because I think that's gross. But yeah, that's how I sharpen my knives. Thanks for watching.